In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Sierra Chart Volume Profile. By the end, you'll have a clean, readable volume profile on your chart and understand the key settings that make it useful. First, open your chart so you're looking at the price action you want to analyze. With the chart in view, move up to the Analysis menu and choose Studies. This opens the Studies window, which is where you load and configure technical tools for your chart. In the list of available studies, find the one called Volume by Price. This is Sierra Chart's Volume Profile tool. Select it, then click Add to attach it to your current chart. When you add it, the Studies Settings panel appears so you can tailor how the profile is built. The most important option here is Volume Graph Period Type. This tells Sierra Chart how to segment the profile. If you choose visible bars, the profile will summarize volume for exactly what's on your screen right now. It's perfect when you're zooming in and out and want the profile to update automatically with the view. If you prefer consistent, repeating profiles across time, choose Multiple Profiles based on fixed time. That creates separate profiles for set periods, like each session or another time block you work with. Pick the one that best matches how you read the market. Next, set ticks per volume bar. This controls the price resolution of the profile, essentially how fine or coarse each horizontal slice of the histogram is. A value of 1 uses a single tick, giving you the highest detail and the most precise look at where trading concentrated. Larger numbers will smooth the profile, merging nearby prices into broader bands. Many traders leave this at 1 for clarity, especially in actively traded markets. Once you're happy with those selections, click OK. Sierra Chart will build the profile and draw it beside your price bars. You'll see a horizontal histogram that shows how much volume traded at each price level. Wider areas highlight prices where a lot of business occurred, often acting as magnets for price. Thinner areas show low-volume pockets, which can behave like fast lanes where price sometimes moves quickly. That's it. Your volume profile is now live and ready to support your analysis. Use it to spot key price zones, understand where the market found value, and frame potential areas of interest as price develops. If you adjust your view or change time periods, just remember, the profile will follow the logic you set with volume graph period type and ticks per volume bar, keeping your perspective consistent as you work.